Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how I prep and make my best baked potatoes. Because when the weather is cold outside, nothing is more comforting and delicious as this. It could be your main meal, a side dish, or a snack if you're just not too hungry, and you can customize the toppings and fillings to your own taste. Let's start by wrapping a potato in aluminum foil, and I've poked it with a knife all over to speed up the cooking time. Pop them into the oven on 180 to 190 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes to an hour. Time may vary depending on your oven, your potato type, and size. I love bacon bits in my potatoes, and I specifically love these turkey bacon strips. And here's a great tip for you. Put the bacon bits in a pan with a bit of water because water helps render the fat and cooking everything more evenly without burning any bits. While they're cooking, I'm prepping all my other fillings and toppings like coleslaw, chopped pickles, chopped spring onions, sweet corn from a can, and you can get fancy and add caramelized onions and sauteed mushrooms if you'd like, or maybe some pickled jalapenos if you want to make it spicy. There's so many options, you can get creative with it. I took my potato out of the oven and began to cut a rectangle into it, but as I tried scooping the potato out, I realized it's a bit tough and not soft enough, so I decided to put it in the oven for 15 more minutes. Now here's something I figured out accidentally while shooting this recipe because I had to cut the filming short and leave the house. I ended up leaving the potatoes to cool off completely for about 7 hours, and when I started to scoop out the completely cold potato, I realized that it's much better to scoop out the filling when it's cold. When I used to do that while the potato was still warm, I had to be so gentle and careful, and the skin would break and tear so easily. However, when it was cold, the outer skin was firm and I was able to scoop out so much of the inner potato without causing a single tear. So my tip to making these is to cook them the day or night before and do the scooping part the next day when you're going to be serving them. That way they would have firmed up and you can have beautiful potato skin pockets that won't fall apart easily. Now that I've moved all the potato fillings to a bowl, to them I'm adding some salted butter, and this is about 1.5 tablespoons. Then I'm popping it all in a microwave for it to melt and make the mixing easier. I've added in some black pepper and a pinch of salt, and I'm also adding in some shredded mozzarella, shredded cheddar, shredded parmesan, and you can substitute with any cheeses you like such as Gouda and Gruyere. I imagine that would taste wonderful in there too. To make it creamier, I do like adding labna or sour cream, and if you don't have that, you can substitute with a splash of heavy cream or just more butter to smooth out the texture more. Don't forget to give the mix a taste to see if you want to make any changes. Now I'm just filling back the potato skins with the mixture, adding in the condiments that I like, and customizing each potato. That's what I like about making this, is that everyone can pick and choose what they want in their potatoes, and if you have picky eaters, you can keep it plain and cheesy, but if you have adventurous eaters, you can mix and match as many condiments as you like. I've topped some potatoes with slices of buffalo mozzarella because I had it in the fridge, so why not? While for others, I'm just topping them off with a parmesan dusting and bacon bits so it can really crisp up on top. Pop them back into the oven on broil or grill setting just until the potatoes have reheated and the cheese has turned golden brown. I make these ahead of time for our family barbecues a lot because all we have to do is wrap them back up in the foil and throw them on the charcoal or wood fire, and they're done and ready to eat within minutes. They're so easy to transport as well. So if you've made it this far into the video, thank you and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!